Hello student, today we will design a crazy click game. In this game, we continue click on this sprite and number of clicks are recorded here. In this game, we have created three variables: clicks, clicks per second and clicks rate. Okay, you can show here the outputs of this game. Whenever I click on this sprite, number of clicks are increased here. Now let's start to design this game. To design this game, first we will open Mblox app. First we will open the Mblox app and then click on this plus sign. You can change the panda sprite with any other sprite and can take panda sprite. Here I will take panda sprite as it is. Now start coding for panda sprite. First code is go to event section and take when flag click. Our first step of the program is that whenever we click on the panda sprite, its size should be increased and then wait for few seconds and then again its size become normal. जैसे ही कि हम पांडा स्प्राइट पे क्लिक करेंगे इसका साइज़ थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा एंड कुछ सेकंड के लिए वेट करेंगे एंड देन इसका साइज़ दोबारा से नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. ओके, for this first we will take this command when click, then go to look section, use this command set size to 100%, replace hundreds with 110% and then use wait command. Here we will take wait for 0.5 second and then again this command. Now we will create three variables. First is click, then second is clicks per second and then third variable is clicks rate. You can check all the three variables here. Now set the initial value of all the three variables. That means whenever we will start the game, what should be the initial value of the variables. Let's click should be 0, set clicks per second is also 0 and click rate set to 1. Initially we will consider that our click rate is equal to 1. Okay, now we want that whenever number of clicks are increased by 100, then click rate should be changed from 1 to 2. जब जैसे हमारे क्लिक्स, नंबर ऑफ क्लिक्स 100 से क्रॉस करेंगे, 100 वैल्यू से क्रॉस करेंगे, तभी हमारी जो क्लिक रेट है वो आपका 2 से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और फिर नंबर ऑफ क्लिक्स 500 होंगे, देन उस टाइम पे आपका क्लिक रेट होगा 3 एंड सो ऑन। फॉर दिस our first command is when flag click, then use the forever loop, then use if then loop, use the greater than operator here, then variables, clicks, whenever the clicks become greater than 100, set your click rate equal to 2. Same, created duplicates, then our number of clicks become greater than 500, then replace the click rate with 3 value, created duplicates again, whenever number of clicks become greater than 1000, then replace click rate with 4 and so on. You can make more than and save it. You can change the background also. Click on this plus sign, choose any background, like this one. Then start the game. Notice number of clicks here and also click rate. Okay, there is a missing command here. What happened? I have not mentioned that whenever we click on the on this sprite, what should happen? जैसे ही हम स्प्राइट पे क्लिक करेंगे इसका साइज इंक्रीज होना चाहिए, देन साइज रिड्यूस हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, सो this command when flag click is replaced by when this sprite click. Okay, replace this with when this sprite click. Okay, जब हम इस स्प्राइट पे क्लिक करेंगे इसका साइज इंक्रीज होगा, वेट करेगा कुछ सेकंड के लिए एंड देन अगेन साइज रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड व्हाट हैपन विद द क्लिक्स वेरिएबल के साथ, क्लिक वेरिएबल शुड बी इंक्रीज बाय विद क्लिक रेट वैल्यू. फॉर दिस go to variable section, use change command here, change the clicks with click rates. Notice that initially click rate value is 1. Okay, then again run the program. Look at here, clicks are increased continuously. आपके क्लिक्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं कॉन्टिन्यूसली, और जैसे ही ये 100 क्रॉस करेंगे योर क्लिक रेट बिकम 2. ओके फाइन. नाउ क्लिक्स आर 103 एंड क्लिक रेट इज 2 एंड सो ऑन. जब क्लिक्स आपके 500 क्रॉस करेंगे आपका क्लिक रेट इज बिकम 3. एट दैट टाइम यू हैव नोटिस दैट आपके जो नंबर ऑफ क्लिक्स हैं वो 2 के रेट से इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. ओके 103 के बाद 104 नहीं आएगा, डायरेक्टली 105 होगा, प्लस 2 से इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. लुक एट इट, 105 देन 107. ओके फाइन. Now again we will add another sprite here. And type here upgrade. And save it. Here we have taken this button, this upgrade button, to upgrade our game. Okay, to modify our game. हमें अपने गेम को अगर मॉडिफाई करने हैं तो हम इस बटन का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके तो मॉडिफाई करना है तो मॉडिफिकेशन की कंडीशन और मॉडिफाई होने के बाद उस पर कौन कौन सी कंडीशन अप्लाई होगी, दैट शुड बी मेंशन इन द कोड. फॉर दिस वी विल स्टार्ट कोडिंग फॉर अपग्रेड बटन. आवर फर्स्ट कमांड इज सेम as like panda. Whenever we click on this sprite, its size will be increased. Its size will be increased by 110%, and then wait for some second, that means 0.05 second, and then again its size become normal, that is 100%. Okay, then I have assumed that in upgrade session first is that whenever the number of clicks are increased by 100, जब भी आपके क्लिक्स हैं, नंबर ऑफ क्लिक्स अगर 100 से ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ हो जाते हैं और आप अपग्रेड बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं, यू टच ऑन द अपग्रेड बटन, what should happen, your clicks per second is replaced with or changed by 1. Clicks per second variable is changed by 1 value. Okay, and number of clicks are reduced by -100 value. For this, use if then loop here. Give the condition if clicks are greater than 100. Our first condition is that if clicks are greater than 100, whenever we touch on the upgrade button, if clicks are greater than 100, then clicks per second, this variable is changed by 1. Click per second variable is changed by 1. Okay, and change click by minus 100 value. In upgrade session, we have an advanced feature. We have added an advanced feature that if we will not click on this sprite, that means we will not click on the panda sprite, even though our clicks will be increased by 1 or increased by click per second rate. Okay, मीन्स अगर आप क्लिक भी नहीं कर रहे पांडा स्प्राइट के ऊपर, फिर भी आपके क्लिक्स इंक्रीज होंगे क्लिक्स पर सेकेंड वेरिएबल के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, और फॉर दिस वी विल वेट for 1 second. To design this program, first we will choose this command. Whenever click, use the forever loop. Then we will mention here that we will wait for 1 second. हम 1 सेकेंड के लिए वेट करेंगे कि हम इस पर क्लिक करें. अगर 1 सेकेंड के अंदर इसके ऊपर नहीं क्लिक करेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका क्लिक 1 कंसीडर या आपका ऑटोमेटिकली आपका क्लिक्स पर सेकेंड वेरिएबल से इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, देन गो टू वेरिएबल सेक्शन. Change clicks with click per second variable and then save it. Look at here. Number of clicks are increased with click rate, that means 1. Now look at here, number of clicks are increased by 100, that is 119. Now if I will click on upgrade button, then number of clicks will be reduced by minus 100 and click rate clicks per second variable is increased by plus 1. Now look, okay, and now I am not touching on the sprite, even though my clicks are also increased. मैं स्प्राइट पे भी टच नहीं कर रही, फिर भी हमारा गेम है अपग्रेड सेशन में इस टाइम पे, तो वो 1 सेकेंड के लिए वेट कर रहा है. अगर टच नहीं हो रहा, इवन दो आपके क्लिक्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. ओके, इंक्रीज किस रेट से हुआ है, क्लिक पर सेकेंड रेट के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके. Now we will add number sprite here. Click on this plus sign. Go to icon section and choose a number from 0 to 9. Let us consider this O is 0. Replace its name with 0. Can save it. Now again click on this and choose 1. Same. Choose 2. Then 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Now 8. And then 9. After adding from 0 to 9 number, then we will add a blank custom here. Go to paint section, click on this plus sign, only change the name here blank. And then save it. Now start coding for this number. Here we want to show our number of clicks with these number. First click on this, then go to loop section, use switch custom command, again switch custom command, use forever loop, put these command inside it, and initially we will choose blank, then go to operator section. There is a command letter 1 of apple. Look at here, this is one number, and replace apple with variable name is click. Now start. Start. Okay. Again. Okay. There is a mismatch between clicks and its number value. To reduce the mismatch between score and number represented here, we will we will delete the 0 sprite. Here we will delete the 0 sprite, and all the 1 2 3 4 up to 9 sprite are present with blank. Okay, then check 1 2 3 4 5. Look at here, there is number 5 and number of clicks are also 5. There is a proper matching behind this. Okay, now we want to represent our score or our clicks in two figure. For this, there is a requirement of adding another number sprite here. For this, click on this plus sign, then go to icon section. You can also type here. Here a requirement of 0 because we want to show 10 number. To show the 10 number, 0 is must. So we will take 0 here. Okay, now again G1 is added, then 2 is added, 3 is added. By same process we will add all the number from 0 to 9. Make sure that there should be a continue order. The order should be same 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9. One more, last is 9. 9 is added, and last is blank. Fine, and then save it. Now start coding for second figure. Same coding we will do for this. We will copy this code, this whole code, and then we will paste here. And paste here. Only replace 1 with 2. Number 2, and then start the game. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then look 10 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Fine, and then and check all the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9 and blank number also. Same step we will do for third figure. We want to add here a third figure also. Then we will follow same step for this. हम सेम स्टेप फॉलो करेंगे यहाँ पे. First we will add 0 number. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then blank. Blank is also added. Same code we will copy to other sprite and then paste here. Replace only 1 with 3 value. Then save this code. Then start run. Now we will run the program. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at here. This is 10 and this is 11. To avoid these things, we will specially mention on the all the numbers. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here I have mentioned already, but here we will mention also here that change the name here with 1 and then save. 2, save it. 3, save it. 4, मिसमैच को अवॉइड करने के लिए इनकी नेमिंग प्रॉपरली देना मस्ट है. ओके, रिमेंबर डैट अगर आपने इनकी नेमिंग प्रॉपरली नहीं दी तो आपका मिसमैच रहेगा, आपका गेम प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करेगा. देन 7, then 8, then 9, save it. Now we will check up to 2 digit. Okay, now start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Look at here, this is 11 and this is also 11. Same figure 22 22. Okay, now up to 2 digit we have completely removed the mismatch problem. Now turn to third digit. In third digit we will also here the name, also change the name here. This is 0, then OK and save it. Same 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and last is 9. Then save it and run this. Okay, now run the program. Look at here, there is no mismatch in 2D 2 dimension 2 digit, sorry. Now we will check on 3 digit also. Look at here, there is no mismatch also in 3 digit. Okay, and when I use the upgrade session, look at here, our score is continuously increased by 1, may increase by click per second. Okay, thank you class, this game is over. I hope you have enjoyed this game. Okay, thank you.